Outside the church, a dog was barking loudly. Then suddenly a shadow came out in front of him. Seeing that evening, the dog's howl was locked in his throat. The shadow was waving around him. Suddenly, flying with that companion in the air, the dog entered the church. The sound of his barking was still coming. After a while, his body was swept back in the air. This time, there was no life in his body. His whole body was white. An old church on the outskirts of Manali town was closed for years. No one goes around him. A few days later, a trip of college students came to Manali. At night, some college students left the hotel without even telling their teacher.
Oh man, these people are treating us like nursery children. What fun would it be to lose like this?
Otherwise, what if you don't want to go here? Don't go there. Do this and that. It's time to eat. It's time to sleep. So Chathar will have fun with the girls. But the girls are accommodated in another hotel. Break your head with the walls here alone.
Now tell me what to do after leaving the hotel. What to do? Come on, let's ride on the road like this. The three friends were walking down the street while talking. After walking some distance, they reached the outside of the church.
This church looks so beautiful. Yes, it's beautiful, but it looks like no one comes and goes.
Maybe it's an old church.
Go in and no, let it be for now. They'll come tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow we will be with Professor and others. They will not let us go away from ourselves. Let us go now. What difference does it make day or night?
Yes, anyway, we have a touch in mobile. It will be a bit of an adventure in a boring trip. Mandeep didn't have the mind. But at the behest of Roshan and Jatin, he entered the church with them. There were lights inside the church. As soon as there was a little light from the mobile light and within the signs, the bags went to the top of the bench.
It seems to have been tied for a long time. That's why the bat has camped here. Man, I don't like the vibes here.
Yes, we go on. Saying this, Mandeep was about to turn around and walk out of the door. Then someone grabbed his legs. He screamed loudly. What has happened? What is the matter? What has become of it?
Someone has grabbed my leg, right? What are you saying?
Yes. He pressed his mobile torch at Mandeep's feet. So there was a rope there. They both laughed when they saw him. I didn't have the heart to come. That's why you're afraid of Rusty too. Nothing but go inside and see how good the ascetic is here. He grabbed her hand and led her inside. In the past, the church was a goosebump. Suddenly, the church lights started to come on.
Hey, how did the light come here? I don't feel right. Let's get out of here.
Saying this, he grabbed the hands of his two friends and went to the door. But suddenly, the door closed. All three were trying to open the door, but the door wouldn't open.
Hey, how could this be? Just now this door was open. Who closed it? Please help. Don't try to scare us.
There must be some other way to get out of here. They find it and get out of there. And as soon as Jatin said, he turned around. His eyes were wide open in panic. He saw a nun stood in front of him. What a bull it is! Get out of here! As soon as Mandeep asked them to run away, he becomes where did it go now? Roshan and Mandeep started shoving her around. That's when I knew. He saw Jatin crawling on the ground. Her eyes were as red as the nun's. The face was completely white and the fingers and feet were burned. Seeing him, they were both frightened and screaming and trying to get out of there. He couldn't see a way out of the tree. Both of them were standing in a corner, frightened. Jatin grew fast like a lizard and kept writhing at the sight of them. Sometimes Jatin's face was seen, sometimes that of the nun.
What have we done to you? Leave it to our friend. Let us get out of here, please. Let us get out of here. We'll never come here.
Saying this, Mandeep folded his hands in front of the nun. The nun smiled at him. He grabbed Mandeep's hand and tried to pull him towards him. But Mandeep had the sacred bracelet of the Gurdwara in his hand. As soon as he touches her, the nun felt a sharp concussion and fell to the ground. And that nun came out of Jatin's body as a smoke. Jatin was lying unconscious on the ground. Roshan tried to bring him to his senses.
Jatin, fly quickly. We have to get out of here. Jatin, please fly.
Do you think you can avoid it? No. You are his victims now. You can't leave here. No one comes here anyway. If an animal comes here by mistake, it does not leave it. Then you are human beings. You guys are going to die. But I don't know why. I feel like today, something different is going to happen. The pastor could have said something else.
Before that, he grabbed Roshan's throat. His breath was choked. He looked at Mandeep with a timid look and said,
Mandeep, get out of here. Run. You have the holy power of the Gurdwara. It can't do anything to you. Run away. I'm not going anywhere to leave you. Don't tell me. You go out of the bath. Go away.
Roshan was repeatedly asking him to leave, but the nun's grip on her throat tightened. His nails stuck in his throat. The nun began to lick the blood flowing from the throat. Roshan was to be restless. Mandeep did not know what to do. On the one hand, the nun, and on the other side, her friend. Then an idea came to his mind. He pulled out the bracelet of his hand and tied in one hand, and taking the saber in the other hand, he spoke loudly.
The same Guruji's skin, the same Guruji's fate, who spoke so Nihal Sasriya Ka.
Mandeep put that hard salt in the heart and put a saber in the chest. The nun began to ride. He let go of Roshan's neck. The light that was waving in the air fell to the ground. A thick black ornament was flowing from the nun's chest. Jatin was still unconscious. Mandeep needed help, but he had no one to help. His eyes fell on the idol of Ishu.
Jesus, I do not know your prayers, but how can Satan dominate your servants in your house? Help us.
Tears welled up in his eyes as he said this, and it was a miracle. And that church, which had been closed for years, suddenly lit up. Badar called 2 nuns. The nuns started treating Gail, Roshan and Jatin. Then the father looked at the Gail nun as soon as he saw her. Holly poured water on his mukti prey. Soon she was absorbed in the statue of the nun's soul.
Today, the soul of this nun, who has been wandering for years due to your courage and wisdom, has been liberated. God bless you, my child. Your friends are fine now. They won't remember anything until tomorrow morning.
Now you guys get out of here. And don't mention today's incident to anyone. The next day, when they left to lose Manali, his friends had lost everything. But Mandeep could not bear that fateful night for the rest of his life. He left the same place with his teammates, so Mandeep did not see any church. The father, who was just standing at a distance, was smiling at him. They poured holy water on him, and the recession went to the same thing last night. The people of Makar Manali can never be overpowered. Because of them, he got rid of evil nuns.